78 amount of 113 the shots fired. It's...
Copy coming.
Get on the ground. Anson County Sheriff's Office, get on the ground now. Get on the ground. Get on the ground now. I got one at gunpoint, non-compliant right now. Get on the ground. Anson County Sheriff's Office, get on the ground. Lie down. Broski. Quit moving. Lay down. 70. Brew backyards behind Grove. Ten 0, last seen 114, backyard behind Grove. Ten 0, last seen 114, backyard behind Grove.
Red people are going home of 138 in the alleyway.
I think I've just heard the engine of the fire truck start up from where we originally found him. Yeah. Bolo on that red fire truck connected to the original scene. Suspect has just returned to the scene and took it. I got the fire truck linked to shots fired with a northbound Grove pulling into the LTD. Westbound Davis. 135 West Davis, opposite Ron. Just took out a couple of signs. Vehicle's gonna be stopped, 141 Davis. Oh! Vehicle just rammed me. Gonna be west, correction, southbound Innocence. Vehicle's ramming officers, active 1080, just went into the... just took a jump onto Little Bighorn Avenue southbound, 161. Gonna be eastbound Jamestown, 153. Jamestown Carson, continuing east on Jamestown, 138. Got down a fence, 132. Coming out onto Roy Lowenstein. Gonna be northbound Covenant, 131. The Alloway parallel Grove now, 122. Westbound Strawberry, 119. He is spraying the deck gun at officers, continuing westbound Strawberry, 134. Ramming multiple vehicles.
He's up.
Get on the ground. One of the suspect is armed and dangerous. We're going to be 213. Sorry. You go back up.
Don't guys right now.
High five,
That's right.
one time.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, one top.
Both officers hit, 213, shots fired. You good, Ice? Okay, back up. It's fine.
Fine with that.
211. Ooh. Shots fired in the area, 206.
One suspect.
Yeah, this is a suspect from Grove.
Go in.
Gonna be northbound Elgin, 200, 1070 with him, armed and dangerous. Into parking garage, 200, just struck by an officer. Anson County Sheriff's Office, get down on the ground now. Get on the ground, get on the ground. Continuing to run, non-compliant, in the parking garage. He has his hands in the air, no gun in hand. I got eyes on, go around with your vehicle. He's on power. Running back towards the vehicles. He's running through the alleyway. Last seen Vespucci, 200.
Hot fight, mate. Oh, 100. Honestly, has time.
I'm behind that stolen vehicle. From the eastbound Adams Apple, 383. It's a grey in colour, obey tailgater, unknown plate, just made a left, southbound Calais. Okay, textureless, that's nice. The 349, we're up on the recycling centre. Turn into the recycling centre. Sorry, the scrapyard. Bailed, bailed, bailed. Into the building. I need units. Go around the back, go around the back. Cover the back entrance. Huh?
Location.
Put her in the building. Just keep on covering the back. Building clear, he must have went out the back. He just stole a police car. Oh, he stole a taco truck.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I got GPS on him. On the...
A recession is a growth opportunity.
7, 8 in a row.
Go.
Dodge London. He insane. Gonna be running parallel to the LS River posted 72. Coming to the end of the river. Hopping up into the industrial estate posted 72.
Fine.
10-0 lost in the area 72. I got him on the roof of the building. Just jumped off.
Fine.
Between 72 and 73. Coming up onto Dutch London. No. In the silos posted 72. We're running through the silos. Coming out on Dutch London here in a second. Yeah, we're coming up on Dutch... Look! What's going on? He's down. Yes, they got him. Nice. Now we just lay here and be dead until medics come.